Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear viewers, as you know, we have learned half chapter number 2. Today we will move forward to learn the combined or joined letters in the chapter of Murakkabat. If you want to learn the basic of Quran Majid with accurate, with correct and proper tajweed, so subscribe my channel and watch my previous videos in which I have taught the basic of Quran chapter number 1 and half chapter number 2 with detail. So now we will move forward from here, from the combined letters. This is half noon and kha. Noon kha, noon kha, ya ha, ya ha. This is ya and this is ha, ya ha. Bajim. This is a lengthening letter. This is a ba. Bajim. Yamim. How you have learned in chapter number 1 the separate letters, the way of pronunciation. You will also try to recite or pronounce here, but just here you will try to combine, pronounce it combined or join. Do not separately. And the one of the most important thing in chapter number 2, in the chapter of Murakkabat, do not break your breath during the pronunciation of combined or joined letters. This is a key point of chapter number 2. Then, Ya Mim, Ba Mim, Ba Mim, Ba Mim, Noon Mim. These both letters were lengthening letter in chapter number 1. So here also we will try to pronounce them lengthening. Noon Mim. This is noon and this is mim. But in a joining letters, the letters will be half. This is noon, half noon, and this is mim, also half. Noon mim, ta mim, tha mim, ba ya, ya ya, noon ya. Do not break your breath. Noon ya, ta ya, tha ya. This is a soft letter. Tha ya, tha ya. Noon balam, noon balam. Banun lam, tanun lam, tanun lam, ya talam. Now these are 3 letters. From here, these are combined 3 letters. This is ta, and this is noon, and this is lam. Tanun lam, tanun lam, ya talam, ya thalam. Noon banun, noon banun, banun noon, banun noon. For today, it's enough. My dear viewers, if you want to learn the pronunciation or the correct outlet or the articulation point of these letters, so you must have to watch my previous videos in which I have taught you the chapter number 1, how we can pronounce these letters separately, from where we will pronounce, from where we will try to release these letters. These all are called the outlet of letters. And also we offer online Quran classes. Contact us on the number given below, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.